Okay, this is a brake light switch for a 1998 Isuzu Trooper 4x4. This one I bought at Amazon. It just got here. And this is the old one. And I took it apart to see if I could fix it. But yeah, since this is a 20-year-old car, so might as well just get a new one, and it should last for hopefully another 20 years. So let me open up the new one. So this is how it looks like, and I'll show you how to install this one. I knew I had to replace it because I was having problems with the with the shifting. It wouldn't come out of park. So after a while, I had to wait for like 15 minutes for it to warm up before it would shift. So I found out that this was sticking. This is inside of this switch right here, and it had grease in it around it, and it was sticking, so it wasn't releasing when it was cold. So, and the new one, you can see it releases quickly. So that's the reason it wouldn't shift out of park. So I'll show you how to install it. You just need a wrench, open end wrench for size 14. Okay, and let's go down to the brake area. You have to lay down and get into that area, but it's pretty easy once you get in there. Okay. I got the light in here. Oops. Okay. So you can see it right here. Oops. There goes the light. Let me see. Get the light back up here. Okay, so you can see I got it started. Where did it go? Over here. So you just turn it. And this thing locks it in once you turn it in. Okay, so hopefully that helps those Isuzu Troopers owners that are having problems shifting their cars out of park. So this switch will work, and eventually it'll get that solenoid to turn so that you can shift it out of park. Okay, thank you for watching.